Hello ladies, I am Shabnam Sharma, Penkraft Master Trainer, and I am here today to tell you about what is Abacus. Details of the Penkraft Abacus course and how you can become Penkraft Certified Teacher for Abacus and work from home. Abacus is this tool that I am holding in my hand, and using this tool we can do large number of basic mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Penkraft Abacus Maths course is a 9-level course with each level of cumulative 30 hours spread across 1 to 3 months. The course is suitable for students 5 years of age and above. The course starts with simple mathematical operations using the Abacus tool, then moving on to complex operations using the tool, and then graduating to doing these mathematical operations without physically using the tool, but only visualizing it in imagination while working the sums mentally. To become a Penkraft Certified Teacher for Abacus Maths, you need to undergo Penkraft Teachers Training for Abacus Maths. The training is conducted by Penkraft Master Trainer on live and interactive video sessions on a one-to-one basis. This training not only covers the core subject of Abacus but also how you can market your classes using social media, how to effectively answer queries from parents and students, etc. Once you complete the training and become Penkraft Certified Teacher, Penkraft helps you to start your own home-based classes for Penkraft Abacus. You can also teach Abacus online to students already registered on the Penkraft portal. Penkraft provides you lifetime free creative and advertising support. Penkraft does not charge any royalty and you are free to decide upon the fee you want to charge to the students. Penkraft Abacus books, tools, etc. can be bought on Penkraft's website at discounted prices. The Penkraft Certified Teachers who perform well have the chance of being designated Penkraft Master Trainers, wherein they can train other teachers too apart from the regular student classes. This thus becomes your second source of income. Penkraft Teachers Training for Abacus Maths is conducted in 3 phases. You can either undergo this in one single go or with a gap as per your convenience. Penkraft Teachers Training for Level 1 and 2 is conducted over 4 days and carries a fee of 10,000 rupees. Penkraft Teachers Training for Levels 3rd to 5th is conducted over 2 days and carries a fee of 7,200 rupees. Penkraft Teachers Training for Levels 6 to 9 is conducted over 3 days and carries a fee of 9,600 rupees. As each level for a student is usually of 30 days, you can also space out session 1 and session 2 by 2 months if you so desire, and you can straight away start teaching students after your session 1. Similarly, you can space out session 2 and session 3 by 3 months if you so desire. To register for this training or for further details, please contact us on 73040444597 or visit www.penkraftonline.in, or you can email us on info@penkraft.in.